We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at the 2-bedroom apartment number 309. Let's go on in. You can see right away we've got this beautiful renovated kitchen. So this kitchen has been updated in apartment 309. So we have the gray cabinets and countertops and the new flooring in here. So this is a nice setup for your kitchen. This is an L-shaped kitchen, so this is unique. We don't have very many of these here in the building. Just this number 9 style of apartments will have this style of kitchen where you enter and it's on our left like this. As we come around, we're going to see, as we go into the apartment, the next door on our right is the bathroom. Let's take a look in there. It's the same bathroom shape and size that we have, but again, this is renovated, a new vanity, an updated vanity in here. And you can see the small cabinets on the right, the toilet, the standing tub shower with a sliding door, and that vanity does open for some more storage underneath. As we go into the living room part of the apartment, you can see a closet just beyond that dining room door, or that dining table and chairs. That's nice to have for your boxes and suitcases and winter coats here in the apartment. So it's good to have some nice extra storage. In the living room, we've got some assorted furniture. You saw the dining table and chairs. We have a couple small tables and seating areas. You can see the air conditioning under the window. Each room in a 2-bedroom apartment will have its own individual air conditioner and heating unit. Let's take a look out the window over here so we can see one of the fantastic features of this apartment. So we're facing to the west. That red building is Collegetown Plaza. If we look over to our left, that's south, and that is Ithaca College in the distance. But we want to go look to our right, which is to the north. We can see kind of the corner of Cascadilla Hall. I'm going to zoom in. And we can see there's the south end of Cuba Lake, and it's a beautiful view of the lake. So you do get that nice lake view here. Oh, there's the Eddy Street gate down in front of that. And let's go see the bedrooms. So we have a spectacular view from here in this apartment. Okay, let's see those bedrooms. We'll go into our bedroom that's on the left, which is room 1. So things that you're looking at in the bedrooms will just be different furniture placement ideas. They're all very similar, as you've seen throughout the videos. We'll always have that full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, and bookshelf. This is the larger of the 2 bedrooms in this apartment, and it does have the larger window. All the windows will have that same view. We're all facing west. You can see the closet is over here. Let's take a look in there. That's a good-sized closet for in here. You can see there's the furnishings. Let's go across the hall. We'll take a look in the other bedroom. This is bedroom 2. So this is the more compact bedroom. It does have a smaller window. I like where they've placed the bookshelf in here. That's a good nook that fits really well. This is a good furniture layout for this particular room. We've got the dresser, the desk and chair. You can still see that air conditioner. And let's get this closet open real quick. And your closet in here for this room. So that's a look at the 2-bedroom apartment number 309 with a renovated kitchen and bathroom. So those are updated. We're here at Collegetown Center, which is located at 151 Dryden Road. This is a 6th-floor elevator building. And we're here right in the center of Collegetown, just 1 block from campus.